And what is up, people? Welcome back to Crypto Planet YouTube channel. New series is starting. It is a series about automated trading bots, and we have, let's say, one project split into two, having two different products, two different type of the bots, and I will show you I have activated both of them and explain to you the whole process, what is happening, and we will show real results in what these bots are actually doing. We will measure the performances of the bots based on the bot amount, on the targets that they need to hit, so everything will be 100% transparent. And now guys, if you want to see something about that, definitely stay tuned. So we are starting over here. One important thing that I want to point out before we start checking out anything, you need to know that this video itself is not financial advice. Do not take it as one, and if you're thinking about checking joining or maybe investing into any crypto project, first you need to do your own deep research. Sole purpose of this video is educational, and with that being said, we can jump straight to it. So as I mentioned in the intro, there is the mother company and it is split into two different platforms. Both of them are offering automated trading bots that are connecting to personal accounts and trading with them. First of them is Ultima Trading and the second one is trading. As you can see over here, their sites are looking almost identical because, as I said, same company standing behind both of the projects. And I think the starting one, the first that got out, was Ultima Trading, and that fresher and newer version is trading. Both of them are having their own trading bots. They are AI trading bots that are connected through API keys to platforms. So Ultima Trading itself is supporting two platforms, which is Maxi and the other one is BingX. And for the trading we have one more platform and it is those two, and on top of that HTX exchange. So every single of these bots are connected and are connecting to legit exchanges, so it is not going through their platform. The bot is connected to real centralized exchanges that I think most of us are familiar with, which is giving one more layer of security. But of course guys, we know it, those bots can manage trade, but they don't have function to withdraw the funds from the account itself, so most of them are just watching and trading. Those are the permissions that are given, but we will go into that when we go to setting up the bot process. Now we can see for trading fresher version where the annual percentages on the bots are standing, and this is something of the medium performance and it is on 150%, but you can see trading is promising 0 to 600% annually. Annually means yearly, so it is not per month, per day, per week, it is yearly. Here's something that how the ratings of their bots are looking, and one of the best performing one I can see over here is medium, and you can see there's a lot of packages going from whale down to a little, different amounts, different payments for those bots, and different core base or core amount that need to be present on the account itself that is connected to the bot. trading, as they are saying, provides the highest level of security for all users on the platform. First of all, the bot doesn't have the ability to withdraw funds from the account on the exchange, just to trade, view account details and view order details. I already mentioned about this, and overall this is where this front page of the platform is ending, but the dashboard is the core. Now let's jump to Ultima Trading. Same thing, same percentages, but as we can see over here, annual medium performance, or we can say across all bots, is on the same amount, but as we can see, rates and annual returns percentages are different. 200 to 1500 percentages annually or yearly, and lower amount of the bots we can see from master, pro, extra, medium, basic, start and little one. That is how they are doing. Exactly the same as we can see over here, account details, order details and trading, but connected just to Maxi and Big X. Probably they will add HTX, but for now we are sitting there. And of course here the same explanation. Now, trading dashboard. I'm going there right now and we can see I have topped up. This is the performance, live performance, and the funds that I can spend on different bots. Trading bots, when you click on the left side, you can see all of those bots that we saw, how much they are costing and what is minimum deposit amount for the bot to be operating and to have funds for trading. Little one is the lowest one, $50, $130 deposit, so combined around $150 to have this bot working, but it has also the higher reach, which is around 10x of the minimum amount, which is 1300, and it is trading with 3 different tokens. There is Ultima token, UCN token and BTC. And here guys, when we go to the dashboard, we can see one of the bots that I have started, which is this one, the basic one. And I have deposited, let's check my Bing X. So I have deposited around, if I'm not mistaken, around $1000 on this bot in USDT. So everything that I needed to do was to have this account funded with, I do it with around $1000. Then I have connected, or then I have transferred those funds from fund wallet to spot wallet, and right after that I have connected the bot via API key to this account, and now it is trading. And now when we go over here on the bot, down where it says it is active, I go to details and to open this tab over here, and over here we can see the positions that are done by the bot, buying and selling, the times when that is happening, what pair they are using for that, amount of the order, and that is how it is doing. Every bot that is activated need to have starting period where it is learning, adapting to the market, to the amount that it has, and then balancing it out and creating the best possible environment for trading on those pairs, for that bot, for everything. That is it. I have connected it with API key. Now I want to show you here, it is explaining how it is functioning. You can see 3 exchanges there where it can be connected. Every exchange has a little different permissions that need to be filled. As we can see for Bing X, on the API you need to have read and spot trading. On Maxi, account details, order details and trading, and on HTX, read only and trade. So same as it is on Bing X, but here is spot trading, and on HTX it is trade. How that is connected: when one bot is purchased, it will give you the tab where you will see API key and secret key. Those 2 keys are the keys from the exchange. So for example, let's go back to Bing X, and when we click on account over here, we can see API management. Go there, and there it is giving possibility to create the API. For example, I will click right now create API, and you can see permissions over here. So for trading bot, these 2 need to be created. It need to have the name, and this is the optional thing, IP address. And then you confirm it and you get those 2 keys, API key and secret key, that need to be pasted on trading platform on the bot when you are trying to connect it. Easy and simple, and also really important, you need to have those keys somewhere stored. You need to have them because that is the only way you can access them. It is really important information, so store them somewhere where you can't lose it. It is exactly the same process for Ultima Trading, but of course it is, I have connected it with Maxi. On the section it is like explaining exactly the same like on trading platform, how to connect it, easy and simple. So I will not do this process and I will not show it one more time because it is the same. It is the same for the both accounts. And now let's check Ultima Trading, the other bot that I have started. The website itself looking pretty similar to this one. You can see a little different permissions that are needed. Going to dashboard, and you can see my bot over here is connected with Maxi, currently is working. It has the performance. So these bots are having the lifetime performances, and this one is promising 220% from the amount that is deposited, which means bot is running until it reaches those 220%. That is important information. Then the bot goes inactive. You can see it has started. This is a couple of trades that are shown. I want to see if I can see some transactions and how it is looking. You can see Ultima USDT chart, and that is the pair that this bot is using for trading itself. We can see how many trades are open currently. 202 trades are open, closed around 150. These are massive amounts, and this bot has been started with around $700. When I go to my Maxi account and when I check the wallet, it is sitting somewhere there at 710, something like that. And here we can see some of the positions, but I can find better information on, and you can see over here some of the orders also. Let me see if I can move this. No. So we can see just here on the bottom where the positions are sitting and how they are performed. You can also see the dates. So most of them happened today. This bot has started, and as I said, initial investment was around $700, so it is somewhere there, not moving, but also because it is having Ultima and USDT pair, it is also the amount of the money that you have on the account is depending on the Ultima price itself, and we can see it is declining because whole market is declining. That is Ultima Trading itself. You can see over here how many positions, and for example here all the positions opened and closed, truly big amount. And like, I think we have pages and pages of this because there is 202 open positions currently. Truly interesting, and it is great that we will have to see how bots are operating. Two bots that have started in around same time, couple of days difference. What will they do in a month period of the time? When will they finish with this journey, and when will they fill out their percentages? Truly great. And also currently we have the bear market activity, so I would love, and I'm really eager to see how the bots will perform in bear market. I think it is a little hostile environment for trading, and these are AI bots that are learning, adapting, so we will see how good they will achieve exactly that. Two of the bots, which one will perform better? This will be 100% transparent explanation. I will show you real results. If the bot lose, it lose. This is for demonstrating and educating you guys how one bot can perform, how it is doing its job. So stay updated for that. Link of these projects are left in the description, so you can check it out if you're interested in that. But overall, the most important thing for me is to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow this journey from start to finish. We are closing the video right here about these great platforms, Trading and Ultima Trading. Literally the same company, but two names and two different type of the bots. And let me know what do you think about all of this. Comment section is all for you. Have you ever used automated AI trading? How is this looking to you? Have you maybe used Ultima, and what are your experiences? And also questions, if you have them, for the comment section. If you want to see more videos like this, here is one. I would really appreciate if you can check it out and also sub to the channel. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.